everybody, here we are today. There was some problem yesterday, a glitch somewhere in Facebook where people weren't actually being able to see the videos. They would load, but they wouldn't play. So hopefully that's done now. Now we're going to be here and we're going to actually put some motion in this water. Now we've got the blue, we got the black, we got a little bit of it on our brush sand. See how I bring the motion lines just like this. I bring it along the lay of the land that this water's going over. Now I get down here and I want that to be kind of a foam roll, you see. Then we just come out here just like this, just like that. And lo and behold, we've got our waterfall. Okay, and then we can just take some straight old plain old blue. Okay, just some straight old plain old blue. I'll put just a little bit of that blacky color in there, just like that. And this just kind of strings itself out. And we have accomplished a watercolor waterfall. Now tomorrow we will start on a waterfall using acrylics. So be with me tomorrow. In the meantime, as always, hit the like, subscribe, leave a comment, hit the bell icon so you get all notifications. And remember that I love you, I love you, I love you.